Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Meat Jun, probably the best Hawaii-Korean fusion ever invented. If you never heard of it, you're probably not from Hawaii, but you're about to find out why we love it so much. Let's get started. First, a very simple marinade. No fancy ingredients here. We just need soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, sugar, and some pepper. Any cut of beef will work, as long as it's thinly sliced. I got this shabu-shabu style from the supermarket, but you can slice your own meat, which is more economical. Toss in the marinade. I scaled it down for today's video. This is only about half a pound of meat. Cover and refrigerate, ideally overnight, but at least for a couple hours. Okay, we're ready for the fry. This is AP flour, 3 large eggs, and a good amount of oil. The secret to moist meat jun is not to flatten out a single layer of meat, but kind of scrunch it up loosely like I'm doing here. And be generous with the eggs. Yes, this is a bit of work, but it's so worth it. I usually make this on the weekends when family come over. It's always a hit. Do you have a favorite dish for your family get-togethers? Let me know in the comments. I'm just finishing up the second batch. Meat jun is definitely a family favorite, but you can also make jun using zucchini slices, fish, and even butterflied shrimp. Okay, we're finishing up. Now for the dipping sauce. It just takes a minute to put together. It's 2 parts soy sauce to 1 part vinegar, depending on your taste. Then sugar and gochugaru. Just mix until the sugar dissolves. Guys, this tastes as good as it looks. The meat is so juicy, and the sweet, tangy sauce is a perfect complement. How would you serve this? Over rice, noodles, or something else? Hope you guys try this meat jun recipe, and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.